Hey, Dave here with Transfer Express, and I want to welcome you to our Transfer Express training series. Now, in this series, we're going to cover some basic topics from our transfer types to how to order and how to use our EasyView online designer. Now, Transfer Express is the leading supplier of digital and screen printed transfers for apparel printing. With 2 production facilities in Ohio and Arizona, we're able to meet the demand for our customers nationwide. We are dedicated to customer service, and helping grow custom apparel businesses is our #1 priority. Everything we do is focused on making sure we send high quality, fashionable custom transfers on time and on a budget. Now, there is tons of information in this guide, and I'm going to make it as absolutely simple as possible to get through. If you need to stop or rewind or pause at any time, feel free to do so, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just reach out to us. We are always more than happy to help. You should have received a sample pack mailed to you for signing up for a new account. If you don't have a dealer account with us on Transfer Express, go ahead and sign up. It's free, quick, and easy, and you'll get one of these awesome kits shipped directly to you. So let's get started and see what's inside. Inside our sample kit is going to be the 2021 price guide. Now, this is an awesome resource to use. You could just look on the inside and it breaks down some quick pricing here for all of our transfer types. This is our screen printed transfers, ultra color, which is our full color digital transfers, and our CAD prints. So everything is all right here in an easy to follow chart format. On the backhand side, you have pricing for our stock numbers and our actual turn times here on the back. We do have some flag packs, we have a color selector, and some marketing tools available as well. If you're just starting your t-shirt business, these could be awesome resources for you to utilize. Next up, we have our 2021 Buyer's Guide. Now, this Buyer's Guide goes through all of our different offerings and transfer types. You can see we have a heat transfer comparison chart, which is super helpful if you don't know which transfer you need. Odds are you're going to want goof proof or hot split. They are our best-selling transfers, and they give you that retail-ready feel of traditional screen printing on apparel. But this goes in and breaks down all of our transfers. You could go ahead and see that there's a ton of different varieties, but this is the one that everybody wants, and it's our #1 bestseller, goof proof. We also include our 2021 idea book. Now, with your account at Transfer Express, you also have access to our EasyView designer. And without any prior design experience, Photoshop, Illustrator, Affinity Designer, or anything, CorelDRAW, everything is on that program. All on our website. Just click on Design Center and you could click on EasyView Design. This 2021 idea book is packed full of all of our free layouts that you could use that could be customized to your heart's content. There's tons of controls and editing capabilities in EasyView, and we're going to break that down in the next video in this series. For now, you could browse through this entire catalog, which is also available online, and see exactly what layouts and clip art we have. Everything is labeled on the sidebars as if it's sports or for events or for work or all of our clip art. It's very easy to follow along and browse. You could give this to prospective clients or you could browse it yourself, but it is super easy to create custom t-shirts without any prior design experience and designs that will actually sell. Tried and true, tested designs. Now, the main big piece of this sample kit are actually some real transfers that you could apply and test out the Transfer Express quality for yourself. So it comes in this little tiny pack here with some instructions and some pictures. On this sheet, this is going to be your instructions. This is a nice key to work alongside. If you're new to heat pressing, there are 3 main components to printing your t-shirts perfectly every time. And that's time, temperature, and pressure. So we could walk through configuring the heat press and your setup may be different. A whole bunch of heat presses work really well. We, of course, recommend the Hotronix line. If you're not using a Hotronix press, we do recommend bumping the temperature by 10 degrees to ensure that we are at the right temperature. Hotronix's presses are awesome, but a lot of other presses will work perfectly fine with our transfers. Here on the sample instructions, you'll see the breakdown of all of our different transfer types included in the sample pack. We're going to go here to Goof-Proof right in the middle and see that it applies to cotton, polyester, and cotton poly blends. Now all of the transfers on this sheet here will apply to cotton and blended garments. For the majority of your uses, if you're printing on cotton or blended garments, Goof-Proof or Hot Split Retro will be the transfer type for you. Depending on your artwork, you may need to use a full color digital print. If your design is using more than 3 colors, you'll be using an Ultra Color Soft, and it's just a lot more economical to use. If you need no minimum quantities, we have CAD Cut, Soft Opaque, and Express prints available to you. The majority of the time, you're going to want Goof-Proof. If you're printing on 100% polyester, use Elastiprints. Now, along with using this guide that breaks down all the transfer types with the application instructions, the transfers also match what the sheet is. So they all are backwards, but this is the Goof-Proof right here in the middle. We'll want to make sure that our press is set to 365 degrees, 4 to 6 seconds, a medium firm pressure, and we're going to peel it hot. This Goof-Proof is our absolute most popular transfer, and that's because it completely mimics the look and feel of a traditional screen print on a t-shirt. Application instructions for each one of these transfer types is linked below this video if you wanted to press along with us. Our Color Selector tool showcases all of the ink colors that we have standard available to you on our screen printed transfers. This is available for sale through our marketing tools section on the website. So we're going to apply the Goof-Proof transfer here today. Now in this sample, it does say Goof-Proof installs Transfer Express here on the bottom. If you wanted to use this for a sales piece for your own customers, feel free to just go ahead and trim off that section and only print the design to show off the quality of it. We're going to take our t-shirt and get it aligned on our heat press. Now this is a Hotronix Auto Clam 16x20 full-size press. For your heat press, you may be able to just lay your garment directly on top. We always recommend that you try to keep seams and any collars or anything away and off the platen from the printing area, so you have a nice smooth surface to apply your transfer. Of course, unless mentioned in the application instructions, we recommend not using a cover sheet and not using any pillows, Teflon sheets, or anything to soften up the base platen or the top of your heat press. A lot of times the Teflon sheets or silicone pads will be blocking the heat needed to use our transfers correctly. If you have a press that's threadable, we always recommend threading the garment onto the press, which gives you a little bit better of a printing surface, but it is not absolutely needed. So first, before we apply any transfers to our garment, we always recommend preheating the garment. This doesn't have to be long, just a couple seconds. We usually recommend 3 to 5 seconds. This is going to remove any moisture and wrinkles and give you a great printing surface for our inks to adhere to. Now we'll go ahead and take our Goof-Proof transfer and we're going to lay it down. Now we'll press this for 4 seconds. Now Goof-Proof is a hot peel, so you want to peel this immediately when the press opens. And there you have it. You just printed your first Transfer Express screen printed transfer. Now we do have transfer application videos for all of our transfer types that you could follow along with linked below. We're also going to press our Hot Split here. Now our Hot Split is the same exact ink formula as the Goof-Proof, just without the adhesive powder. So this applies at a slightly longer dwell time on the same temperature as Goof-Proof. This one applies at 365 degrees for 10 seconds and is also a hot peel. So it's called Hot Split because the ink does split from the apparel and the transfer carrier. So you will see a slight ghosting of the ink onto the transfer carrier after you peel it off after applying. We're going to pre-press our garment like we do before all of our transfers for just 3 to 5 seconds, removing any moisture and wrinkles. Now we'll go ahead and lay this one down here and press it for 10 seconds. And we'll peel hot. While similar to the Goof Proof, Hot Split is just slightly softer to the hand. Thanks for signing up for a Transfer Express account, and I hope this video helped. Now in front of us we have everything that was included in the sample pack, save for the t-shirts that we just applied. I have this sorted by a lot of our transfer types. Our main screen printed ones at the top. In the middle here I have all of our effects, our pearl prints, glitter, puff, and a glow in the dark, and at the bottom all of our full color CAD print and our ultra color soft that are included with the kit. Up here all of our Express names and numbers that you could purchase for stock numbers that ship same day. Thanks for watching our first introduction into our Transfer Express training series. The next video will be focused on how to order and upload your artwork along with using our customizable Easy View online designer. We really appreciate your dedication to learning and bettering your t-shirt business. This is an awesome journey and I'm so glad you're here with us. Until next time, happy pressing.